I've seen many Power BI reports that look unprofessional, and it has nothing to do with the data. Let's take a look at this example. No color contrast, graph bars all appear the same color, no fine touches, squared edges instead of round corners, too many redundancies, unnecessary duplicative titles and values. No structure, visuals are just floating in white space. I'm going to show you how to clean these issues up in just a few minutes. Right now, everything blends together, there's no visual distinction. By adding the correct value to the legend field, we instantly create contrast. I know it seems like common sense, but I've run into report designers that do not know this. Squared corners like this can make a report feel outdated. Rounding the corners instantly modernizes the visual. In order to achieve the border radius, you must turn on the visual border and set the color to the same color as the background where the visual will be placed. I also recommend setting the rounded corners to no more than 20 pixels. Many visuals show redundant information by default. If the data is obvious, we don't need to repeat it. Let's turn off unnecessary titles, values, and legends. The titles and values are located in the Y-axis and X-axis settings. And here you will also find the legend toggle just below the axis settings. Let's talk about structure. Well, right now there's no structure around these visuals. Everything is just floating. A structured layout will instantly make this report feel intentional. I'm going to use my background designer tool to create a structured layout for these visuals. Here I'm defining a grid that I will use to draw the structure. Then I will use a screen cap I took of the report to use as a guide. From here, it is just a matter of drawing boxes to match my desired layout. I'm going to select the Neumorphic preset. Select my boxes. Turn the opacity all the way up. Set them to white and adjust the border radius. Let's pick a background gradient image. Finally, I will export the image to apply to the report. Now let's apply the new background to the report. Now it's a matter of cleaning up, making all the visuals fit within the boxes, make some adjustments to the color theme, and that's about it. Let's take a look at the before and after. It's the same data, but with completely different perception. This is the difference between a report that gets ignored and one that gets used. If you want to greatly improve your reports using techniques like these, subscribe. And if you want the exact layout system I used, check the link in the description.